Assalamu alaikum. There are 5 meanings of bring up in English language. We have to start with meaning and examples. First of all, bring up means mention. We can create such a sentence. Don't bring up politics if you want to have a quiet conversation with that guy. Next, bring up meaning raise. We can create such a sentence. She did well enough bringing up 2 sons and a daughter on her own. Next, bring up mean uncover to bring from obscurity. We can create such a sentence. A short internet search brought up some amazing details of this story. Next, bring up means turn on power or start as of a machine, wait a minute while. We can create such a sentence. I bring up my computer. Next, meaning of bring up is vomit. We can create such a sentence. I was very ill today. I kept bringing up everything I ate. I hope you will appreciate my effort and like my video. Please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.